Hey guys, what's up? Do you know that Paytm is also going to bring its IPO soon? Well, according to the sources, Paytm has submitted the draft red herring prospectus to SEBI recently. So let's know about some key facts about the company. Well, after getting incorporated in early 2000, the 197 Communications Limited is India's leading digital ecosystem for consumers as well as merchants. It has over 333 million plus client base and 21 million plus registered merchants to whom it offers payment, financial, commerce and cloud services. Now, let's know about some of its businesses in detail. In 2009, the company has launched the Paytm app that provides cashless payment services to customers. It provides flight, bus, and rail ticket booking services. It has also Paytm Money, which is an investment platform that provides stocks, mutual funds, and national pension scheme services. It has Paytm Mall e-commerce platform for retail goods. Apart from that, the Paytm Payment Bank provides zero balance account with fixed deposit and interbank transfer services. Along with the strong businesses, the Paytm has also some well-known big investors such as Ant Fin Holdings, SVF India, Elevation Capital, the CEO Bijay Shekhar Sharma, and Alibaba. Well, Paytm plans to raise more than 16,000 crore through the IPO, in which roughly half of the shares are fresh issues and other half are offer for sale. Offer for sale means existing investors will sell their stake. Now, let's know about some key strength factors about the company. Well, it is a trusted brand, it develops in-house technologies, it has deep insight of Indian merchants, and also has experienced promoters and strong investors. Some of its risk factors are its majority of revenue is derived from its payment services, it has a history of net losses, its dependence on third parties and failure to maintain and improve its technology might affect the fundamental of the company. So, what is the launch date of the IPO? Well, according to the sources, the Paytm IPO might get launched in November 2021. What are you waiting for? Do your own research and stay tuned for some more update about the IPO. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. We will catch up in the next one.